Okay, so this is a common mistake. If you want to connect Power BI to Excel in OneDrive. Right? So normal people will come here and just go to the share. You're going to copy link. Uh, maybe you don't want to do the. I just want to share. Let's copy link, right? And then it's the unlock, and it's just the setting, say anyone, anyone, and just can view, right? Say apply, say copy link. Okay, so I'll come to my, I'll say get web. Accessing the web link, coming up. Probably has a bit slow in HTTP. I think I'm using HTTP. Like so, I paste the link in here. I say okay. Okay, if I say connect, say I cannot do. No, um, I couldn't authenticate, right? So I just come here and say sign in, for example, and I say my account. I think you open sign in me. Where is the sign in? Yeah, coming up. Yeah, Power BI is a bit slow somehow, slower than G1 and Visual Studio. Ah, I see you not coming out. Yeah, be a bit patient. I think you'll be coming up. Not sure why thing is not appearing well. I close this guy and just try again. Just click sign. Yeah, that's the problem with it. And okay, I say another account that I have. Uh, what's the one? Okay, I think that how I want to say, yeah. Uh, Actually, that's okay. I did one. Hmm. Yeah, right, so it looks okay, but when you click connect, it's saying that uh, hey, it looks okay. Good for a while. There's nothing come up. No, it's not okay. So we might just keep anonymous contact. It's not responding yet. Still contacting. It looks like it's working somehow. No response. The connect button gone as well. Yeah, it's just waiting for. Let's see what's going on. Okay, the login disappeared. It came out. Please loading. Yeah, it's still loading. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, still Yeah, coming up something. But this is not the Excel that I want. That the Excel is supposed to look like this, right? So it's not. Okay, so use this one Excel is nothing, right? So you can't load anything, right? So it's just incorrect all the way. So just cancel it. Okay, the right thing to do is that you need to here and loading again, and you click on the here the path. Click on the path. Now you go back to the web and you go to page. Yes, click OK again. Is this the same path? Let me check. Hold on a second. I need a notepad to open. Yeah, it's a bit slow, right? HDD doesn't run well. Anyway, uh, yeah, it should come up. Yeah, coming up. Okay, so not bad. That is fun. Not bad is fun. Okay. I don't think this is the right path, it seems. Okay, so, uh, then I can do this. I can try again. Yeah, I try again and try and try to connect. Okay, now you see the spreadsheet. That's how you can actually load the spreadsheet.